Hello, welcome back to Kate's Sales YouTube. Let's find out about sales happily with me. Let's start. Hello.
Sales Manager. How to terminate an employee, a step-by-step guide for employers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. As a sales manager, one of the most challenging tasks you may encounter is terminating an employee. However, there may be circumstances where this becomes necessary for the benefit of your company. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the process of terminating an employee. Step 1. Document performance issues. The first step is to document any performance issues leading up to the termination. This documentation will help you provide objective reasons for the termination if required. Make sure to keep detailed records of any conversations or incidents that may have led to the termination. Step 2. Plan the meeting. The next step is to plan a private meeting with the employee to discuss the termination. Be clear about the purpose of the meeting in the invitation. This will help to ensure that the employee is mentally prepared for the discussion. Step 3. Be direct and respectful. When you start the meeting, it's important to be direct and respectful. Explain that you have made the difficult decision to terminate their employment. Be clear, concise, and respectful throughout the conversation. Provide objective reasons for the termination and avoid being too emotional. Step 4. Listen. Allow the employee to express their thoughts and feelings regarding the termination. It is important to show empathy and respect towards the employee during this difficult conversation. Listen to their concerns and try to answer any questions they may have. Step 5. Provide information. Explain the logistics of the termination, including their final paycheck, benefits, and any severance package that may be available. You should also explain their options for healthcare coverage, 401k, and other benefits. Be sure to provide all necessary information in writing. Step 6. Discuss transition. Discuss any transition period that may be required, including the transfer of duties to other team members. It's important to ensure that there is a smooth transition process in place and that the employee is aware of what they need to do before leaving. Step 7. Follow up. Finally, follow up with the employee after the meeting to ensure they have received all necessary information and provide any further support that may be required. This may include providing job references or helping them find new employment opportunities. In conclusion, terminating an employee is never easy, but following these steps can help you handle the situation with professionalism and empathy. Remember to document performance issues. Plan the meeting. Be direct and respectful. Listen to the employee. Provide information. Discuss transition, and follow up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Please help me keep posting videos. Subscribe and like button. Please. Set the notification, you can watch the new video. Thank you.